This island is known for some very unique dishes I want to find a recipe for and share with you. This is Madeira and
This is a black scarab fish, and this fish lives under 180 meters below sea level or even lower. So it's my first time trying this. It's a national dish in Madeira. So let me see how it tastes. Now some kind of dressing needs to go on top. Oh, it's really juicy, flaky fish. And then this sweet passion fruit banana sauce fits it perfectly. Okay, it's called bola di caco. It's kind of a bread and a pizza together. There's some garlic butter smeared on top of it. I tried to find a good recipe from a chef around here and make it at home so I can share it with you.
And this is called prego in Bola di Caco, what is basically a steak sandwich with the bread. And I'll make it myself, so subscribe to stay tuned for the recipes.